Hi students, this is Suman from DBSIT. Now I am going to explain the topic environmental scanning. Environment scanning means a major purpose of environment scanning is to identify and understand the new opportunities in which the company can perform profitable. Environmental scanning involves an analysis and diagnosis of the external and internal environment of the business firm. Environment scanning is a vital part of the corporate planning process. Effective planners try to anticipate what is likely to happen to influence the environment in favorable directions. Environment scanning is a process by which strategists monitor both parts of the environment. Here, environment scanning can be classified into two parts: external environment and internal environment. Coming to the first external environment, here we have to analyze the opportunities and threats analysis. Here, the external environment has a profound impact on the business operations, irrespective of the nature of the business. The business operations has to monitor the key forces both in the micro and macro environment. The forces in the micro environment may be customers, competitors and others. The forces in the macro environment may be demographic factors, economic factors, technological factors, socio, cultural and political factors. All these factors and parties affect the business operations both in the short run and long run. These factors can be grouped under three parts of the environment, that is general environment, industrial environment and international environment. Coming to the first general environment, the firms said to be more effective when its strategy caters to the needs of the environment. Under this, the socio-economic sector. Under this, all the factors affecting the economy, society, and business climates. And the next one, technological factors. Under this, the technological sector. The sectors, the flow and development of alternative raw materials, the life cycle of products and services. And the next one, the government sector. Under this, the government sector, the government is a powerful player in the markets in every sector. And next one, industry environment. Under this, we have to study customers, suppliers and competition. What is industry environment? It is an important component of the overall environment analysis as input for corporate planning. Industry refers a group of firms carrying on similar activities. It has three sectors. Under industry environment, we have to understand customers, suppliers, competitors. Here, some of the suppliers almost determine the availability and cost of supply conditions, including raw materials, energy, technology, money and labor. And then competitors. Competition means the strategist molds his strategy in the light of the competitor's strategy. And then customers, it is necessary to identify the profile of the buyers in terms of their needs and preferences based on the demographic factors such as age, customer's age and customer's income and customer's size of the households and customer's consumption of the materials. And the next, international environment. The second part is international environment. International environment means the strategy of globalization implies a great source of opportunities and also threats to business firm. And the next one, internal environment. Here we have to study strengths and weakness analysis. Weakness analysis. Internal environment refers the analysis and diagnosis is a process of analysis the internal strengths and weaknesses. By identifying its strengths and weaknesses, the firm can strategically exploit the available opportunities. Firm can strategically exploit the available opportunities, overcome threats and correct weaknesses, placing itself of a competitive advantage. The internal strengths and weaknesses may include the following. First one, marketing factors, and next research and development factors, and next engineering design, and next production management, and next human resource management, and then accounting and financial policies. And next I have to explain here SWOT analysis, SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses and opportunities, threats analysis. SWOT analysis is defined as the rational and overall evaluation of a company, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. In every business organization, the top management carries out this evaluation. External environment comes under SWOT analysis. Here also classified into two, external environment and the second one internal environment. External environment and second one internal environment. Comes under external environment, we have to analyze opportunities and threat analysis. Comes under internal environment, we have to analyze strength and weakness analysis. Here in this external environment, we have to analyze opportunities and threats. Comes under opportunities, it is necessary that the company should identify what opportunities are available to it to focus upon. The latest technology, maybe free markets, maybe liberalization rules, etc. These are all the opportunities available in the external environment. And the next threat means some developments in the external environment represent threats. A threat is a challenge posed by an unfavorable threat or a development. The results in the loss of sales or profits till a defensive marketing action is initiated. And next internal environment. Under this we have to analyze strengths and weaknesses of the business. Here it is necessary to analyze one's strengths and weaknesses periodically to sustain the degree of its competition strength. Strength means the strength, it is necessary that a business organization has to correct all its weaknesses, nor that is propagate its strength. And next weakness. Sometimes the company may not do well, not because its department's lack of required motivation, but because they do not work together as a team. Next, SWOT analysis is always made at a given point of time. As time changes, there can be significant changes in the firm overall setting. In this class, briefly explain environmental scanning and SWOT analysis. Thank you for watching this video.